Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 Cruze. The Cruze blueprint calls for more than you'd expect and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, dual airbags, air conditioning, Bluetooth, alloy wheels, one owner, power steering, AM/FM stereo with CD player and MP3 WMA capability, CD player. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.